Yeah, hi everyone. Today we'll be talking about how to fix the top nav bar of your website using HTML, CSS, and Booster. Now, we designed a particular website using HTML, CSS, and Booster, and but I'm having this particular issue that there's a space at the upper part of the words of the nav bar. So how do we resolve it? So that's the main issue. The site is unique because it has different combination of colors, it has responsiveness. But how do we resolve this space issue? So to resolve this issue, first you have to understand your script. You have to know how to resolve it and where to go. So if we go to our slide, there are just three main steps. The first thing is to do is what? Go to your word, the script, the body part of your word script. Go to the navbar and modify the class. Type the script fixed dash top. So let's try it and see whether it will work. So this is our script. It's a long script actually, but let's go to the main area, which is the navbar, and this is what this section here. So you come to this type and type fixed dash top. Yes, and so this is what we need. So if you look at the way it looks before, let's go to our web page. Um, this is our web page. If you look at where there's a space, let's run it and let's see. Let's go and run it first. So it has corrected itself. So before, let me show you before. This is how it looked like. There's a space at the upper part, and that was what was giving us an issue. Can you see? So when we would type the syntax fixed desktop and let's run it, click open with light server, you will see that what the issue has been what resolved, and that's the uniqueness of coding and programming. Another thing you have to check on your website, you have to check the responsiveness of your website. Now, if you go to some website, when you let's go, let me show you this. If you go to some website, let's say, let me show you index Bashcom. It's a unique site. We use HTML and CSS for it. If you check, so this is the site. But when you go to check its responsiveness, right click and go to what inspect, um, and check its view on different platforms. If we check how it looks like on its phone, you can see that it's looking a little bit distorted. If we check how it looks on the tab, it's still not looking okay. So how do we resolve this? So the way to resolve this is what you can use a framework like Bootstrap. So if you check this particular site, this one we just did, this one we did. So we use, let me refresh it so you see it better. Yes, so this is particular site. This is the site that will just resolve the upper number. And if you right click and go to inspect, you see the power and the uniqueness of our responsive on your web page. So if you s- come to this upper part here, so if you click here, you go to responsiveness. You want to see how it looks like on an iPhone. You can see the way it looks like here. You want to see how it looks like on a tab, iPad mini. You can see the way it looks like. So just the beauty of what knowing not just HTML CSS, but knowing framework like what Bootstrap and what Tailwind. And we want to see how it looks like on a large screen. Yes, and you can just come here. Yes, and just scroll and see how it looks like. Yes, and so that's the importance of not just knowing your coding and knowing which framework to use. And we also apply what the map at the lower part here, so you can go below that and see how it looks like. So this is just a short video explaining how you can solve the issue of the top nav bar, and also what also talking about the responsiveness. Um, Thank you very much for listening to our short lecture. Um, Try and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you all in our next class. Have a great day, everyone, and have a great day, and see you in our next class. Bye.